Hi friends, this is Wendy with Love and Stampin'. Thanks so much for being here today. I'm excited to show you August's thank you card. We're using the Stylish Shapes dies, the Contour Scallop dies, Hello Ladybug punch and stamp set, and the Sentimental Park. We're using that little thanks sentiment. This card turned out so super cute and I absolutely love it. It's a really simple card, easy to recreate. And this is the card that I'm going to be giving out to anybody who places a Stampin' Up! Order with me in the month of August. Along with the card, you will receive a cute ladybug charm. So I tried to match the charm and the card and make it extra cute and special. So here we are just cutting down a piece of basic white thick cardstock to 4 by 5 1/4. I've got a basic black cardstock piece cut at 4 1/8 by 5 3/8, and I'm going to glue that to my card front. And then I'm going to layer the basic white on top, along with some of the scallop contour dies that I have die cut in black and white. So black and white with splashes of color is one of my very, very favorite go-to patterns for any card. I think black and white with color is beautiful, and it always, I don't know, it just makes a really good finished card. So this is a fantastic card for you to case and use lots of different ideas with. Like you could use different images, different colors, and just follow that black and white base. So really quick, I know that this video is super short and we don't really have time for story time or too much chit chat in this card or in this video. But I did want to let you all know who have inquired that fair was crazy. Yes, it is over. We did sell both of our pigs and my daughter did well on the sell and she's very, very happy. So all in all, really good experience. Back to the card really quick. We stamped those beautiful leaves in Parakeet Party, and now I'm stamping the sentiment in Hero Arts Intensified Black ink. I find that this black ink is really, really nice for a really bold, solid stamp, and it just dries a little slower, so you have to be a little careful. I punched my ladybug wings in real red cardstock, and then I'm stamping the black on top of the ladybug wings. And then for the base of the ladybug, I punched it in black, and then I'm just going to add the wings. And then we're going to add this little half piece of the banner die from the Stylish Shapes dies. So I cut one whole banner die and then cut it in half. So I was able to get like 2 cards out of one. And we're going to add it as just a little flag on the card. And it just adds a little bit of extra oomph and interest to the card. At the end of the video, I am going to show you that cute little charm as well. So really quick, back to the fair. I am super behind with work stuff just because my time was demanded way more than I expected. And so one of the things I talked about in previous videos was a Christmas in July class in the Creative Vault. And I actually have that in the works. It'll be Christmas in August because I just haven't finished getting it all put together yet. So it's started, it's just not finished. And as soon as it's finished, I will let everybody know, and we'll get it put up in the vault for you if you are a vault member. So to join the vault, there is a link below this video, and there are 3 classes every month in the vault, along with an exclusive event with me and my sister where we go live and we stamp and chat. And this last month we were live for an hour and a half, hanging out, talking, and making a card. We made a really beautiful card. So here's the finished thank you card. This is free to anybody who places a Stampin' Up! Order with me in the month of August. And then the little charm is right here. It's super, super cute. And so that will also be part of your gift. Sorry, my camera's wiggling around. It's trying to focus. And yeah, that's what you get from me. So I hope that you have an amazing rest of your day. Don't forget to use those bonus days coupons if you have them. You can click on either image here to watch another video from me. You can shop with me at shoploveandstampin.com to get your Stampin' Up! Products. And I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Thanks for hanging out. Bye-bye.